guys, welcome to my channel. Tomorrow I'm hosting a Halloween party here at my house, and I'm going to bring you along with me today as I prepare all of the fun treats and show you exactly what I'm making. Today's video is a collaboration with my friend Katie from KKB Shorts. I will leave her channel information down below, so when you're done watching this video, make sure you head over there so you can see what kind of fun treats she's making. This taco dip was such a huge hit at the party. If you need a simple dish to bring to a potluck, this is the one for you. There were quite a few ingredients, so I'm not going to list them all in the video, but if you want the recipe, I will leave the link for it down below in the description box. Candy and junk food at the party. I had to throw some fruit in there somewhere. So I decided to go with these oranges and draw cute little jack-o'-lantern faces on them. They were perfect as decor sitting around the table. But really tasty. You can make this for any occasion and holiday simply by changing the sprinkles and the food coloring. At a party than pizza. And to give this a Halloween twist, I got out my Halloween cookie cutters and cut out the cheese in the shape of a witch. Something a little spicy for the adults at the party. Mummy jalapeno poppers. My husband helped me out with these, and he stuffed the peppers with cream cheese and bacon and wrapped crescent dough around them and baked them. So good. gain inspiration. If you're new here coming over from Katie's channel, welcome. I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. Don't forget to also hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time that I put out a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all really soon. Bye, guys.